Ever hear your cat meowing but no sound comes out? You're not losing your mind. This is a real thing. So, why does this happen? It's all about communication. Some cats meow silently as a way to communicate with you, especially if they're super relaxed or trying to be cute. It can also happen when they're older or have a sore throat. It's their way of trying to meow but not fully getting it out. And hey, sometimes they just like to mess with us. It's not a sign of anything bad. It's just part of their quirky nature. But if it starts to happen a lot, maybe check in with the vet to be sure. So next time you see your cat meowing silently, just smile and know they're still trying to tell you something. If you've seen this happen with your cat, comment silent and tell me what they were trying to say.